Good morning. Thank you for joining us. This is the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Tuesday, September 22nd. Taking a look at what's going on across the area here for the next few days. We do have a weak system that'll move past the area today, but not expecting really any precip with that. Maybe just some additional cloud cover for a few hours as that system kind of swings by. Otherwise, unseasonably warm and dry conditions will continue for the rest of the week until we get into the day on Friday. We'll get a little bit breezy as we move into the day Thursday, and we'll also be breezy today as well. But Thursday looks to be the windiest day, and then our next storm system will move through on Friday and into Saturday with some additional precip possible with that, along with some cooler temperatures as well. Taking a look at the satellite view from across the area this morning, we can kind of see the system that I mentioned bringing some cloud cover across portions of Nevada and Oregon and Washington, and this system will continue to move to the east here as the day progresses. And as I mentioned, we might see some additional cloud cover as that kind of moves by, but the models have really backed off on any precip chances with this system. They were low to begin with, but now we're not really seeing any precip expected with this system. That being said, it will be locally breezy in spots today. Nothing too terrible by any means, but nevertheless, just a little bit of breeze out there. But Thursday does appear to be the windiest day. And then we do have those shower chances moving into the area Friday and into Saturday. But as far as temperatures are concerned today, continuing above normal with temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s across much of the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. The winds today, again, looks like the strongest winds will be across the Arco Desert. Nothing too crazy here, but nevertheless, a little bit of a breeze out there. And those minimum relative humidity values just above critical levels in most spots today. As far as low temperatures, as you wake up Wednesday morning, seasonal, generally speaking, not expecting anybody to be too far off from what we would typically expect this time of year. And high temperatures Wednesday, very similar to what we're expecting today, again with upper 70s, lower 80s across much of the area with minimum relative humidity values, again, right about where they were going to be for the day today. And the same on Thursday as well. So you can see not a whole lot of change to those relative humidity values. And certainly no significant changes to the temperatures as well. Wind speeds do start to pick up during the day on Thursday as that next system kind of moves through, and you can see it's much more breezy across the area, so that could cause some fire weather concerns during the day on Thursday. But on Friday, we will see that cold front move through, and we'll have much cooler temperatures across the area, as you can see, with highs generally expected in the 60s for a good portion of the area, and that will continue into Saturday as well before we start to see a warming trend once again as we get into Sunday and into the early part of next week. That being said, here's our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, and as you can see, pretty high probability of above normal temperatures, and as we move on to the 8 to 14 day time period, that trend continues as well. So it certainly looks like it's going to continue warm and mostly dry across the area here over the next week or so. So again, not a whole lot of significant impacts weather-wise here for the next few days with that weak system moving through today. Just generally expecting some additional cloud cover, but no precip expected. Our next chance for precip won't be until Friday. With that next storm system that moves through, which will bring us some of the cooler temperatures. But again, that looks to be pretty short-lived, and then it looks like we'll start warming back up as we get into early next week. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.